So I got a lesson request the other day in class on an advanced grammar topic. And I thought, it would make a really good YouTube lesson for all of you. Today, we're going to study an advanced grammar word, and I'm going to make it easy. Today, we're going to study unless. Let's go. So in today's lesson, we are going to study an advanced word. We are going to study the word unless. Unless is not that difficult, but a lot of people struggle with it. And today, I'm going to teach you how to use it in a very easy way. By the end of this video, you will be able to use unless with no problems. So first, what does unless mean? Unless means if not. It has the same meaning as if not. Or it could also mean except if. Except if. So let's look at an example sentence so you can understand this grammar. So my example sentence is, I will be on time unless the train is delayed. I'll be on time unless the train is delayed. So this means I will be on time if the train isn't delayed. So if the train is not delayed, I will be on time. I will arrive at the correct time. Or I will arrive on time except if the train is delayed. Except if the train is delayed. So in today's lesson, we are going to use the word unless. It has the same meaning as if not or except if. So I will be on time unless the train is delayed. Let's look at another example so you completely understand this grammar. In the next sentence, my sentence is, I will go for a walk unless it rains. I will go for a walk unless it rains. This means I will go for a walk if it doesn't rain. So that means if there is no rain, I will go for a walk. Or I will go for a walk except if it rains. So that means if it rains, I will not go for a walk. All right, so does that make sense? Do you understand what unless means? If not, you can ask me any questions you have down below. Now, there is also another way we use unless. So if I want to stop something or prevent something from happening, I can use the word unless. So I want to stop something. For example, let's look at an example sentence. I will fail the test. I will fail the test. I want to stop this. I will fail the test. I don't want to fail the test. So I will fail the test unless I study. So unless I study. So that means I want to stop the first action. I don't want to fail. So I must study. So in order to stop the failing, to prevent the failing, then I have to study. So I will fail the test unless I study. Now, if we put if not, it has the same meaning. So I will fail the test if I don't study. All right, so it has the same meaning. So I want to stop the action of failing. So what must I do? I must study. So this grammar is not that difficult, but a lot of people have difficulty because it's very similar to if. Now, if not has the same meaning as unless, but if has a different meaning. So many people confuse. They want to use unless, but maybe they should use if. Or they want to use if, but maybe they should use unless. So many people confuse the two words. So in this next part of the lesson, let's do an exercise. I want you to choose whether you complete the sentence with if or unless. So you choose which word to use. Okay, exercise number 1. I will take the job, something. The salary is too low. Will you choose unless or if? So will you choose A or B? Unless or if? What is your answer? The correct answer for this sentence is unless. I will take the job unless the salary is too low. So that means if the salary is very low, I will not take the job. Number 2, let's go for a walk. Something. You are tired. Will you choose A, unless, or B, if? The correct answer here is unless. Let's go for a walk unless you are tired. So that means if you are tired, we will not take a walk. So let's go for a walk if you aren't tired. So in this answer, if you aren't, if not, we can use unless. So let's take a walk unless you are tired. Number 3, she will be very upset. Something. I don't get back tomorrow. Will you choose A, unless, or B, if? The correct answer for this is if. She will be very upset if I don't get back tomorrow. So there is a negative don't, so I must use if I don't get back tomorrow. And number 4, I won't be able to solve this problem. Something. You help me. Will you choose A, unless, or B, if? Okay, the correct answer here is unless. I won't be able to solve the problem unless you help me. So that means I need your help. If you don't help me, I can't solve the problem. So I won't be able to solve the problem unless you help me. Okay, so how did you do? Did you get all of those correct? Did you understand the difference between if and unless? If it was difficult, please rewatch from the grammar explanation and try the exercises again. Also, if you think this lesson is useful, please subscribe to the channel, give me a thumbs up, and hit the notification bell. These lessons and all of my lessons are completely free, so make sure you subscribe. Okay, so that brings us to the active part of this lesson. In this part of the lesson, you get to make sentences using unless. In this section, I will give you a sentence. This sentence is something that you plan to do. Next, I will also give you one word. This is the condition. This condition must not happen if you want the first sentence to happen. So, to better understand this, let's do an example together. After that, you will have 5 chances to practice. Okay, so let's look at the example. In the example, my first sentence is, I will go to the beach. I will go to the beach. And the condition is rain. Rain, okay? So I will go to the beach. That is your plan. And the condition is rain. So this condition must not happen if I want to go to the beach. So if we put these two things together, my sentence will be, I will go to the beach unless it rains. I'll go to the beach unless it rains. All right, so I've got my action, my plan. I will go to the beach unless, and then it rains. Make sure you have a subject and verb after unless. Okay, so next is your turn. I will give you a sentence and the condition. I want you to put it together and make a sentence using unless. Number 1, the sentence, I will exercise tonight. I will exercise tonight. And the condition is tired. Please put these together and make a sentence using unless. All right, my answer for this is, I will exercise tonight unless I am tired. I'll exercise tonight unless I am tired. So that means if I am tired, I will not exercise. So I will exercise unless I am tired. So if I am not tired, I will exercise. Number 2, your sentence is, I will get wet. The condition, umbrella. All right, what is your answer for this? All right, my answer for this is, I will get wet unless I bring an umbrella. I'll get wet unless I bring an umbrella. Okay, so if you had a different answer, it could be correct. Please leave your answers down below and I will check all of your sentences. Number 3, my phone will die. The condition, charger. What is your unless sentence? My sentence is, my phone will die unless I charge it. My phone will die unless I charge it. Now, if you have a different answer, that's okay. Again, leave it down below. Number 4, the sentence is, I can't buy the shirt. I can't buy the shirt. The condition, sale. What is your answer? My answer for this situation is, I can't buy the shirt unless it is on sale. I can't buy the shirt unless it is on sale. Okay, so that means the shirt must be on sale. Then I can buy it. And number 5, the last situation, your sentence is, I won't lose weight. I won't lose weight. And the condition is junk food. Junk food. What is your sentence? Okay, my sentence for this situation is, I won't lose weight unless I give up junk food. I won't lose weight unless I give up junk food. So that means I must stop eating junk food. Then I can lose weight. But if I keep eating junk food like soda and potato chips, then I won't lose weight. Okay, so how did you do? Did you make 5 good sentences using unless? Now again, remember, if your answers were different than mine, that's okay. Just leave it down below. All right, so unless means if not. So it's not that difficult, but some people, confuse it with if. So if it's still a little bit confusing, rewatch from the grammar explanation. If you have any questions, please ask me down below. If you want me to give you some more situations, please ask me down below. And I hope you enjoyed today's lesson. And if you did, subscribe to the channel, give me a thumbs up, and hit the notification bell. It would mean a lot to me if you did that. And I'm sure these lessons, the past lessons and the future lessons, will help your English. Until the next lesson, see ya. Thank you very much for watching today's lesson. Today we practice an advanced grammar topic, unless. If you think today's lesson was useful, please subscribe to the channel, give me a thumbs up, and hit the notification bell. And don't forget to check out all my other videos I have on my channel. Until the next lesson, see ya.